channel. So today I have something super exciting. I got the Goddess Provisions box. I don't know what that was. And so basically what this is this is just a monthly subscription box, and it's kind of for those who are into crystals or like witchy things or hippie things, which is like, if you can tell, it is everything I'm about. So I actually got this for the first time in March, and I got their March box first, which was really cool, and I really liked it. But their April box just like blew me away, so I really had to show you guys. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. Super cute. Purple's like my favorite color, as you can tell, so I love it. And so, oh no, I don't know what I did with the pamphlet. Just, it's right there, it's not, it's right here. This one? Yeah, okay. So the first thing, every box basically has one of these pamphlets, and it just is like a little bit like of what it's about. It has a monthly mantra, and it kind of tells you a bunch of stuff about the box. One thing that I didn't know until after I bought the box that I was so excited about is after every box they sell, they plant a tree, which I just think is like super awesome and really cool. And they have all their like social handles and stuff, all that information there, and then obviously all the items listed back here. So let's just go through it. The first thing is this booklet, which I was so excited about. This is The Crystal Seer by Judy Hall, and this is what it looks like. It's super cute, and it's just a book about crystals and like identifying them. It's in alphabetical order, so you can, if you have one and you don't know like what it does, or if you're trying to identify one, like you just, it has a picture and everything it does. This is originally $13. And I think this is super cool because we actually get a crystal in the box, and so I didn't know anything about it, so I just turned to the page and read all about it, and it was super cool. It's a dense boy. That's a lot of crystals right there. So it's exciting. I'm really excited about that. The next thing is this Spa Life Jade Facial Mask, and this is what it looks like. It's super cute. I don't know if I'm gonna use it just because it says it's an oil absorbing thing to prevent shine skin, which is like, dewy skin is like my whole thing. Like that is like, it's like my brand. Like I have super dry skin, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this. I might give it to my boyfriend or a friend or something, but it's a $3 mask, and it has matcha and botanical extracts that offer benefits of tranquility, purity, and longevity. So I mean, perfect for like any spa day, just like a nice little, I think it's a sheet mask. I don't know. It feels like it, yeah. Ooh, this next thing is super cool. I was really excited when we got this. This is by Lilac and Willow. It's a little candle. And it's a moonstone candle, and I want to show you guys this because I don't know if you hear that, but I can already smell it. It's crazy. It's filled with like sea salt, dried flowers, and moonstones, which is so pretty, like so pretty. It says it has a crisp aroma of coconut, cucumber, vanilla, and mint to inspire balance and harmony. So I'm really excited to try this because I have not lit it yet, so it'll be really exciting and interesting to see how it smells. This next thing I thought was just so cute. First of all, it comes in a little pen case. It's a pen, and this is what it looks like, and it's like a little velvety case. It says, "I write with intention and manifest my dreams," and you just open it. The pen is like rose gold, and it has like crystals. I just think that's super cute. Lucy, you turned on the metronome. Just stepped on my garage band, dude. So yeah, I just think this is super cute, and I don't know. I have a thing for pens. I love them. I love all kinds of pens. So this was just kind of a cute little thing. And this guy, oh, I don't know if I said, the candle was $12, and this pen is $11. So super cute. Okay guys, this is super cool. This is a chocolate bar. It's called Fine and Raw Sea Salt Chocolate Bar. 70% chocolate made with unrefined coconut sugar, raw cocoa, and a sprinkle of sea salt. It's $5. And it was like this big before me and my boyfriend ate it. Guys, it is interesting. I will say that. It is very, very interesting. I feel like when I ate it, it was immediately very, very salty, and I was like, whoa, this is strange. And I don't know, it kind of evolved, and it was an interesting flavor for sure. So it's a nice little treat. I was not expecting food, and I was very excited because I'm a Taurus rising, so I love good food. Okay, let's see. Okay, this little crystal is a labradorite. I don't know if I'm saying that right, and I am sorry, but this is what it looks like. If you can see, it's super pretty because it has like these blue reflect pieces in it. It's a $6 value, and it says, a powerful stone of magic, auric protection, and transformation. Meditate with this crystal on your third eye to expand your consciousness and awaken your psychic powers. It's really cute. He's a small guy, but I don't know. I was pretty excited, and once I got this, I just like opened up my little crystal encyclopedia to labradorite and read all about it, which was super, super helpful and interesting. Okay, and the last thing is this Passport to Beauty Tiger's Eye roll-on. This is what it looks like. It's a roll-on thing. Let me read it. It says, with a tiger eyes gemstone as the roller ball, this blissful essential oil blend helps enhance clarity, vitality, and personal strength. Roll it onto your pulse points, third eye, and solar plexus to balance your chakras and receive crystal healing with each application. That's what it looks like. And then obviously the rollerball is like the tiger's eye. And it smells so good. Like, it smells so good. It smells really, really fresh and like kind of citrusy. Super nice. I love it. And this guy is expensive. He's a $45 value, which is more than the box. I don't think I said how much the box is. The box is $33. And you get, so how many is this? 1, 2, 3, 7 products plus a like digital bonus, which I haven't done the digital bonus yet, but this is what it looks like, and it basically just like tells you how to do it, and it's like meditation, yoga, kind of like nice digital things. So I haven't used that yet, but I would definitely do that to check it out and to see how it is. But yeah, those are all the things in the Goddess Provision box, but I really, really like it, and I think if you guys are into crystals or like hippie stuff or anything, I think you'd really like it, because I always am like going to like, Mister! He wanted to make a cameo. It is okay. This is Mister. He is a fluffy boy. That's fine, he can join us. But I always like going to New Age stores or metaphysical stores, and there's not a whole lot in my area. So it's kind of nice to have it just like delivered to you, especially now since everything's shut down. So yeah, it's a really good box, and I don't know, I really love it, and I think you guys will like it too. So I just wanted to show that to you guys, and that's all for this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you liked it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.